I welcome all of you with my love and respect, especially the Paramashiva Ganas who are literally investing their life to build this Kailasa. I welcome all of you with my love and respect. Paramashiva's direct message from Kailasa. Listen. Universe, cosmos is not only expanding, the expansion is accelerated. Please understand. I am revealing as Paramashiva, Mahadeva is revealing to me. One of the greatest quality I enjoy about myself is I don't have strategies. What he reveals, I reveal. And after it flows, becomes reality, I can see his vision, and I am also enjoying the vision of Paramashiva along with you. Please understand. I know the vision of Paramashiva, but I don't have a strategy other than his vision. So I can be absolutely complete, sincere to these two statements. One, I love you all sincerely. I lived, living, will live just as a pure, transparent manifestation of Paramashiva without having any addition, deletion, strategies, nothing. Just simple Paramashiva straight away. Simple Paramashiva straight forward. I can stand between you and Paramashiva and declare my integrity to both of you at a time. I can look at the side of Paramashiva and say, yes, I am absolutely integrated to you. I can look at all yours, your side, and say, I am absolutely integrated to you. Please understand, strategy-less visionary is the definition of me. Visionary without a strategy. I'll just reveal what Paramashiva reveals. Paramashiva is very clearly expressing now means this pralaya. Now, not only universe is expanding, the expansion is accelerated. Understand? He also showed me the verbal manifestation, how the expansion is accelerated. Om is the expansion. The sound of the universe is Om. 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 And the acceleration of this expansion is Shiva, 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 Shiva. Listen, all of you human beings have binary existence, like inhaling, exhaling, life, death. Binariness is your existence. Let Shiva be your binariness. She inhaling, Va exhaling, She life, Va death. This prana samana, inhaling, exhaling, life and death, everything, the binary happening in you, masculine and feminine, the binary happening in you, be Shiva, 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 Shiva. Listen. This is the sound of the cosmos happening now, at present. Om is the physics, the existential reality of the universe by its natural expanding quality, tendency. Shiva is the vibration of acceleration happening in this expansion. So just go on, be sitting in that space. Shiva. See, when you are sitting in this space of Shiva, 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 that accelerated expansion of the universe starts happening in you, and you get the stimulus package from cosmos. Listen, not only governments, even cosmos is doing a powerful stimulus package for people to get super conscious breakthrough and manifest powers in this pralaya, in this pandemic. Simple way to get the large chunk of that stimulus package to manifest intense powers, love, knowledge, enlightenment. Big share Paramashiva is pushing on the world, humanity. Very simple way. Sit as much time as you can. Actually, you don't even need a separate time while you are doing all your work, including falling asleep. You can just go on, be inside, vibrating. Don't chant, vibrate. Shiva. See, remembering and forgetfulness, both are your binary. Like inhaling and exhaling is your binary. Remembering, forgetfulness, and male, female, Shiva, Devi, Paramashiva, Parashakti, your existence is binary. Your understandings are binary. Your realizations are binary. Your experience of life is binary. You act binary. You live binary. Being and acting binary. Everything is binary. Silence and talking, everything is binary. So let your core existence of binary become Shiva, 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 Shiva. Along with your day-to-day activity, let this Shiva become undercurrent of you for this Pralaya period. I am not telling you to strategize to be in that chanting Shiva, 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 Shiva whole life. Then you will never do. I am not interested in that. Just do for this Pralaya. You will get a stimulus check from Paramashiva. If you want cosmic stimulus check, powers, enlightenment, super consciousness, everything, huge chunk, just reverberate yourself with Shiva, 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 Shiva. You can see Shiva. Both are rooted in Om. 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 I am not lying. See, I am standing in front of Mahakala Bhairava, keeping him as a witness. Mahakala Bhairava. The Saraswati is sitting on my tongue, being true to her. And Paramashiva manifesting through this being, true to him. I tell you all, just to do this Shiva, 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 Shiva. If you are feeling restless, Shiva, 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 Shiva. If you are feeling bored, Shiva, Shiva, Shiva. If you are feeling tired, Shiva, Shiva, Shiva. Whatever it may be, don't leave Shiva. The rhythms can change, but don't change the core tune existence of your being. Raga can change, Tala can change, Pallavi can change, rhythm can change, even tune can change. Don't change the script. Shiva, 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 Shiva. If you are yawning, Shiva. Especially if you have Atmalinga, you can keep it in your bag. If you have a large jata like mine, put it inside the jata. Understand? In Hindu tradition, kings used to wear Shivalinga, their Atmalinga only as the krita, crown. Vaishnavites wear the satari. the Parandama's Padukas as crown, Shaivites wear Atmalinga as the crown. If you have a jata, put the linga inside or put it in your bag. Anything is okay. Just if it is around your body, that's enough. Shiva, 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 Shiva. Whole cosmos is vibrating. Ganga, Yamuna, Kashi, Narmada, Himalayas, Kailasa, Tiruvannamalai. The whole universe is vibrating with this sound. Shiva, 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 Shiva. Vayudeva, who is responsible for your breathing. Varuna Deva, who is responsible for the water component in you. Agni Deva, who is digesting your food. All are vibrating with the accelerated expansion of the cosmos with this sound Shiva, 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 Shiva. Any activity you do, whether eating or cleaning, whether you are eating or cleaning your bowels, or watching TV or attending the satsang, whether real life or real life, digital life or enlightened life, existential life or e-life, anything. Shiva, Shiva. Even while you take the business decisions, while you are in your office, sit in the office chair. Shiva, Shiva. Paramashiva will be your CEO. He will take decisions for you. He will be supporting you. He is such extreme, absolutely life positive and delicious. I tell you. I tell you, he is delicious. Delicious to be tasted in the tongue. I'm just seeing Los Angeles, Paramashiva, Abhishekam going on. I think Peter Bloomfield is doing. I only did the Pratishtha and I don't know how many years I am seeing. Even now, he is new to me. Wow. When I am seeing that, I can see very clearly he is absolutely delicious. I tell you, Shiva is delicious. Most sweetest, beautiful addiction. Addiction which will liberate you from all addictions of the universe. Shiva, 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 Shiva. All my disciples who declare your integrity to me. If you are not initiated earlier, now I am initiating. If you are already initiated, I am again initiating. Shiva, 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 Shiva. Really, I am telling you, your body will become $1 trillion worth body. Just do this till December 14th. Shiva, 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 Shiva. Listen, whole universe is vibrating now with this accelerated expansion. See, the universe's normal existence is Om and expandingness. Now, that expansion is accelerated. That the vibration of that acceleration is Shiva, 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 Shiva. Understand? Now what I am talking is beyond your senses. The universe is vibrating as Shiva is beyond your perception. I know. It's little difficult logically. May not be convincing for you to grasp. In this space, my integrity matters. So standing in front of Kalabhairava, bowing down to Mahaganapati, respecting, revering Sharada Parameshwari, Mahasaraswati, living in my tongue. Bowing down to Paramashiva, who is manifesting through this body being consciousness. Shiva, 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 Shiva. Once again, I commit with you all. I sincerely love you all. I'll reveal the truth as it is with my integrity absolutely to Paramashiva and to you. The vibration of Paramashiva, existence of Paramashiva, I will just map it into your language, your frequency. Pure integrity, honesty, truthfulness, without any strategy, just vision of Paramashiva. With that, I am telling you all, now the whole cosmos is accelerated expansion is happening with this vibration Shiva, 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 Shiva. Shiva, 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 Shiva. Anyone who takes this and vibrates themselves with this Shiva, 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 gets the stimulus check of superconscious explosion, state of Paramashiva, space of Paramashiva, powers of Paramashiva, being of Paramashiva, super consciousness of Paramashiva, Kailasa of Paramashiva in large quantity. You can manifest that stimulus check in your life as a health, wealth, relationships, happiness, enlightenment, powers, and all. I am telling you the truth as it is. I have no strategy. I only have vision of Paramashiva. Now you strategize how you can use this sacred truth in your life. When you are manifesting, you can vibrate yourself as Shiva, 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 Shiva. When you do power manifestation or while you are regular breathing, Shiva, 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 Shiva. Use this. Accelerated expansion of the universe, Shiva, for digestion. See, when you put your food in the stomach, the fire in the stomach can be triggered with this Shiva mantra. Shiva, Shiva, Shiva. The blood circulating in your body can be added with this Shiva mantra. Shiva, Shiva, Shiva. Oh blood, carry this Shiva vibration and circulate all over my body and purify the whole body, detox the body. Let Paramashiva manifest through this body. Oh, the Jataragni, fire in the stomach. Use this Shiva mantra as intense prana for you to burn and purify my whole body. Let Paramashiva Agni manifest in my body. Shiva, Shiva, Shiva. Oh Vayu, flowing through my body as Dasaprana, Prana Vyana Udhana Samana, Dasaprana. Use this Shiva mantra as vibration and flow through my body. Let Paramashiva himself manifest as Dasapranas in my system. Shiva, 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 Shiva. O Kamantaga, Paramashiva, you be my lust. O Kopantaga, Mahakala Bhairava, you be my ferociousness. O Mahabhairava, you be my prana. O Mahadeva, Paramashiva, you be my existence, my very own being. Shiva, 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 Shiva. Reverberate your whole body. Touch your head, Shiva. Touch your ears, Shiva. Touch your eyes, Shiva. Every part of your body, make it sacred with this Shiva, 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 Shiva. If your mind is going to your business, make your mind sacred by Shiva. Make your business sacred by Shiva. With this mantra, make your food sacred. Make your money sacred. Make your greed for money sacred. Make your insecurity sacred. Make your desire to have career sacred. Make your desire to have healthy body sacred. Make everything sacred with this Shiva, 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 Shiva. I can see very clearly this vibration intensely exploding through these Rudrakshas, and I can see myself entering into the Shivacharyas doing puja in Los Angeles, Sarvanya Pita. And actually, literally, I am doing puja now in Los Angeles through the Shivacharyas. The Shivacharyas who are doing puja now in Los Angeles are blessed. I can see because I have so much of love for that Los Angeles Paramashiva Linga installed. I am literally manifesting in you and doing the puja. I give a boon, special boon to the Shivacharyas of Los Angeles. Morning puja. Whenever you do morning puja, I myself will manifest and do the puja. So, morning first puja. I think it is time the Los Angeles should start 6 Kala puja. You have now enough Shivacharyas. You start, it will happen. Morning first puja. Any Shivacharya who does, I myself will manifest through you and do the puja. As a symbol, you can wear my Swarupa, means my Kavi, my Rudraksha, my Sundaravada, Jata, and the Chandra, my very own Swarupa, you can wear and do the morning puja. Shivacharya, who does the morning first puja, whether you are a Grihastha or Vanaprasthi or Sannyasi or anything, I myself will manifest through you and do the puja, whether you are in male body or female body. So you are authorized to wear my Swarupa during the morning first Kala Puja. Whoever in Los Angeles and Biddi, these two temples gets this boon. First puja, first Kala Puja, Uchi Kala Puja, Devi herself will do, Parashakti herself will do Uchi Kala Puja. I already told the Uchi Kala Puja should be done by the priest wearing the sari. You should learn the procedures from Tiruvanikkaaval, Akhilandeshwari, Jalagandeshwarar Devasthanam procedures. Uchikala puja will be done by Devi. Early morning first puja will be done by me personally. Shiva, 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 Shiva. Shiva, 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 Shiva. Today is the Varalakshmi Vratam. Let Parashakti Varalakshmi bless all of us with all the auspicious boons, wealth, Lakshmitva, energy, everything auspicious. Shiva, 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 Shiva. Shiva, 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 Shiva.
ரமண மகரிஷியோட சீடர் ஒருத்தர் இந்த ரமண புராணம் அப்படின்னு ஒரு புக்கை எழுதுறாரு. ஒரு பாதி எழுதி வச்சுட்டு மீதியை ரமணருடைய பாதத்தில் வச்சுட்டு போயிடுறாரு. ரமண மகரிஷியே எடுத்து மீதியை எழுதி முடிச்சிடுறாரு. ரமண மகரிஷியே எழுதி முடிச்சிடுறாரு. அந்த புக்கு பப்ளிஷ் பண்ணும்போது அந்த சீடர் என்ன பண்ணுறாரு, பகவான் எழுதின இடத்துலேருந்து கோடிட்டு கீழே பின் குறிப்பாக இந்த இடத்திலிருந்து பகவானே எழுதியது அப்படின்னு எழுதி வைக்கிறார். அந்த புத்தகத்தை ரமண மகரிஷி பார்த்துட்டு, ஓ மீதியெல்லாம் நீங்கள் எழுதுனீங்களோ அப்படின்னு கேட்குறாரு. மீதியெல்லாம் மட்டும் நீங்களே எழுதுனீங்களோ அப்படின்னு கேட்கிறாரு. அதனால தன் சீடர்கள் எழுதினாலும் தான் அவர்கள் மூலமாக எழுதுவது, அவர்களால் எழுத முடியாத போது இந்த உடம்பையே உபயோகப்படுத்தி எழுதுவது. சாமி தான் சொல்வேன், சில நேரத்தில் அந்த உடம்பை யூஸ் பண்ணி எழுதுறேன், சில நேரத்தில் இந்த உடம்பை யூஸ் பண்ணி எழுதுறேன், அவ்வளோதான். ஆனால் ரெண்டுமே எனக்கு ஒன்று தான். அந்த உடம்பை யூஸ் பண்ணாலும் இந்த உடம்பை யூஸ் பண்ணாலும் எழுதுறது ஒன்று தான். யாதும் ஆகி நின்றாய் காளி எங்கும் நீ நிறைந்தாய், தீது நன்மையெல்லாம் ஒன்றன் செயல்கள் அன்றி இல்லை. யாதும் ஆகி நின்றாய் காளி எங்கும் நீ நிறைந்தாய், தீது நன்மையெல்லாம் ஒன்றன் செயல்கள் அன்றி இல்லை. மந்த மாறுதத்தில்
சிவ சிவ
எங்கள் மனதில் வந்தாய் நித்யா என்றும் நீ நிலைப்பாய், பொங்கும் ஆனந்த வெள்ளம் நித்யா புகுந்ததுடலின் உள்ளே. தாங்கி நிற்கும் சக்தி நித்யா தரைக்கு அர்ப்பணிக்க, ஓங்கிய பிரபஞ்சம் நித்யா உடலின் உள்ளே வந்து, மனது முழுதும் வெள்ளம் நித்யா மகிழ்ச்சி கடலின் பெருக்கம், உனது கருணை வெள்ளம் நித்யா ஓடி வந்ததிங்கே. எங்கள் மனதில் வந்தாய் நித்யா என்றோ நீ நிலைப்பாய், பொங்கும் ஆனந்த வெள்ளம் நித்யா புகுந்ததுடலின் உள்ளே. சோதனைகள் ஏனோ நித்யா சொக்க தங்கம் இல்லையோ, சாதனைகள் புரிய நாங்கள் தக்கவராயில்லையோ. எங்கள் மனதில் வந்தாய் நித்யா என்றும் நீ நிலைப்பாய், பொங்கும் ஆனந்த வெள்ளம் நித்யா புகுந்ததுடலின் உள்ளே. எங்கள் மனதில் வந்தாய் நித்யா என்றும் நீ நிலைப்பாய், பொங்கும் ஆனந்த வெள்ளம் நித்யா புகுந்ததுடலின் உள்ளே. எங்கள் மனதில் வந்தாய் நித்யா என்றும் நீ நிலைப்பாய், பொங்கும் ஆனந்த வெள்ளம் நித்யா புகுந்ததுடலின் உள்ளே. எங்கள் மனதில் வந்தாய் நித்யா என்றும் நீ நிலைப்பாய், பொங்கும் ஆனந்த வெள்ளம் நித்யா புகுந்ததுடலின் ஆனந்த சரணா மகாதேவ சிவ சம்போனந்தனா மாய விநாசக மூஷிக வாகன, மாய விநாசக மூஷிக வாகன, மாதா மகேஸ்வரி பவானி நந்தனா, மாதா மகேஸ்வரி பவானி நந்தனா, மாதங்க வதனா ஆனந்த சதனா மாய நாத மூஷிக வாகனா. மாதங்க வதனா ஆனந்த சதனா மகாதேவ சிவ சம்போ நந்தன, மாய விநாசகா மூஷிக வாகனா, மகா கணபதே மங்கள சரணா. மாதங்க வதனா ஆனந்த சதனா மகாதேவ சிவ சம்போ சிவ சம்போ நந்தனா.
சரணம் 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 நித்யானந்த சரணம்.
ஆரங்க வதனா ஆனந்த சரணா மகாதேவ சிவ சம்போ நந்தனா. மாதங்க வதனா ஆனந்த சரணா மகாதேவ சிவ சம்போ நந்தனா. மாதா மகேஸ்வரி பவானி நந்தனா மங்கள கணபதி மகாச்சரணா.
சரணம் 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 நித்யானந்த சரணம். சரணம் 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 நித்யானந்த சரணம்.
மாதங்க வதனா ஆனந்த சரணா மகாதேவ சிவ சம்போ நந்தனா.
Shiva, 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 Shiva.
Bhaje bam bam bam, singa bhaje bhaje bam bam bam, ate pagla pola bhaje bam bam bam, sire koriche kanga gal gal gal, sire koriche kanga gal gal gal, ate pagla pola bhaje bam bam bam, sarana sa bhaje sara dal dal dal, pagla pola bhaje bam bam bam, mridanga tare tatam tatam, pagla pola bhaje bam bam bam, dimi 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 damaru bhaje. Dimi 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 damaru bhaje.
திம்மி 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 டமர் பஜே.
Pan 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 pani karaje. Nate utiche go soham soham, nate utiche bolo soham soham, nache pagla pola baje bam bam bam, singa badische baje bom bom bom, pagla pola baje bam bam bam, sire koriche kanga kal kal kal, sarane cha bare dare tal tal tal, mridanga dare tal tatam tatam, pagla pola baje bam bam bam, dama 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 dinir baje. Pan 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 pani karaje.
नित्यानंदा बोले हरे बम बम बम.
पगला पोला बाजे बम बम बम, सिंगा बाजी से बाजे बम बम बम, नादे ओठ से बोलो सोगम सोगम, पगला पोला बाजे बम बम बम.
Shiva, Shiva, Shiva. With this, I bless you all. I also wanted to tell you, I'll continuously available, inspiring, initiating all of you And also, within next 24 hours, I commit with you all, I'll give you all darshan in your dream state. Just vibrate with this Shiva continuously. Even when you are falling asleep, Shiva, 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 Shiva. Fall asleep. You will have my darshan in the dream state and initiation. Darshan and sparshan in the dream state. I have beautiful short presentation on E-Kailasa. This whole week I am going to be dedicating it to E-Kailasa. Means inspiring all of you to live enlightenment intensely. Enjoy enlightenment. I tell you, life is for the people who get involved. I will support you to get involved. I have a beautiful video. Please enjoy it. Then I'll continue the satsang. Yes, this is so nice. If you want a wake up call from me personally, please register. The wake up call will be in my own voice. And blessings for all of you. Be part of E-Kailasa. Let's make the whole world E-Kailasians. Let's reach out to the world. Already we have now more than 100 places the E-Kailasas formed. Earlier we were working, now we have become very organized. So more than 108 different services we are providing. To know about the lead in your time zone, how to register in your time zone, just visit this page kailasa.org/e-kailasa. Welcome to enjoy and enrich both. So I have the list of services we are providing. Please see it. These all the sign up links for each services we are providing. This page is available in the website, main website. You can go and register and avail the services. And also I have the list of leads in your areas. You can reach out to them to make these services available. And if you want to be volunteering to be a lead, you are welcome to send an email. We can take this enlightenment science to the whole world. So, with this, I bless you all. Let's all radiate with integrity, authenticity, responsibility, enriching, causing, living Shuddhatvaita Saivam. The state, space, powers, being, superconsciousness of Paramashiva, Kailasa, and Kailasa of Paramashiva, Paramashivoham, Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. The eternal bliss, Nityananda. Thank you. Be blissful.